Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this cute little Santa hat. You can leave it like this if you want, or you can give it a little fold, a bit of glue when you're finished. You need something to cut your yarn with, a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and a tiny little pom-pom which is 12mm. You're going to need red yarn and white. Unless you want to do it a different colour, you can choose whatever colours you want. So let's begin. So we're going to start with a red and we're going to make a magic ring. And into that magic ring, I'm going to chain one. We're going to place 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to pull on the tail. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sew the tail in now, because otherwise this gap at the top is going to be too small for me to go through. Oh. What's happened there? I'm just going to sew it in really quickly and then we're going to finish the round. Just so it doesn't unravel. What's going on? There we go. I'm going to cut it off. And then we are going to slip stitch into the first double crochet. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then round 2, we're going to chain 1 again. I'm only doing 1 chain because it's going to be easier to find the stitch at the top. And then we're going to place 2 double crochets into the first stitch. It's 1, 2, and then 1 into the next, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the next. That's 6, and 2 double crochet in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the last one. So round 2, you're going to end up with 9 double crochets, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. I hope you can see it okay. Then round 3, we're going to chain 2. I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So it's double crochet increase and then double crochet, double crochet. So round 3, you're going to have 12 double crochets. So finish this. I'll finish mine off camera. Actually, no, I'm almost done. So I'm just going to finish this round. So it's 2 double crochet in the first stitch, and then a double crochet in the next, and a double crochet in the next, for a total of 12 double crochets. There we go. Now we're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, and then round 4, we're going to repeat this round. So it's 2 double crochets in the first one, chain 2 first. It's 2 double crochet in the first one, double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next. And repeat this all the way around, and you should have a total of 16 double crochet. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round, and then we have one more round, round 5. Start with a double crochet, and the same as round 3 and 4, 2 double crochet in the first one, and then double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next. So for this round you're going to end up with a 21 double crochet count, because you're going to have 1 stitch left at the end, so just put 1 double crochet in it. So it's the same repeat around, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, all the way around, but at the last stitch just place 1 double crochet. 21 stitches for round 5. So I've just finished round 5. I have 21 double crochets, and we're going to change our yarn to white. So I'm just going to place my hook there. I'm going to cut a little tail, and then I'm going to pull my yarn through, my white one. Grab a little chain, and I'm just going to make a double knot and cut the tails off. Cut them off, and then we're going to do chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. That's just a repeat. 2 double crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next. That's 2 double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the in the next, double crochet in the next. So that's again a repeat of round 3, 4 and 5. Finish your round and then slip stitch in the first double crochet of the round. So I'll finish mine and I'll come back when I'm done. So for round 6 you're going to have 28 stitches. We're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet of the round. I'm going to make a little tail. I'm going to sew the tail in. Why can I not thread today? I'm going to pull the tail back, go through a few stitches just to hide our tail. Cut it off. And there's your little hat. Now to glue the pom-pom, I have this fast tack glue. It dries quite quickly and it's very strong. You just need to leave it to dry. So I'm just going to put a dab of it on here. Oh! And then stick it on. So I'm just going to stand it up like this to dry. And that's it. That's your little Santa hat. If you would like to make it like with a bit more shape, then you can put a dab of glue here and somehow hold it, or put something to hold it. It will dry like that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.